Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to take you through my morning routine, working from home lockdown edition. I haven't filmed a morning get ready with me video in such a long time, so I really wanted to film that, and I figured, you know, working from home, I'm not necessarily rushing anywhere like how I usually am in my morning routine videos. So yeah, I wanted to take you through my morning routine, right from brushing my teeth, washing my face, see how I'm putting on my skincare. I'm trying my Dermalogica eye serum today for the first time. I think I'm going to have another video specifically dedicated to that coming up soon. I touch upon this towards the end of the video, but I really feel like in these times of lockdown, staying at home, it's very much the same, very repetitive, and I feel like so many people say this all the time, and you just kind of roll your eyes at them like, oh my god, you're so annoying. But I do really feel like having a routine in place, as simple and as basic as you can make it or as it can be, is so important for keeping you sane during these times. I think something as simple as washing your face in the morning, doing your like 8-step skincare routine can just make you feel so positive and so good about yourself, and you feel refreshed. And when your skin feels good and you look in the mirror and you look good, that makes you feel really good on the inside. So that is definitely the method that I'm practicing. But I also think for me, like, I'm such a routine girl anyway, like I thrive on a routine. I'm quite boring like that. But yeah, so I just wanted to film a get ready with me working from home lockdown edition. I hope you like this video. Let me know what you think about this outfit when I show it to you later on in the video. It's very random. I don't know what I was thinking, but let's get into the video. I really love using this fresh soy cleanser in the morning, especially now that I'm using this Murad, which has many active ingredients in it. I love that this face wash is just so gentle and soothing. So it's now 7:21. I feel like I'm a bit behind. Anyway, let me first go in with my Fresh Rose Floral Toner. Oh, it feels so refreshing. Oh. Okay, oh, that feels so refreshing. Next up, I've got my Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Serum. In the past, I used to do like 3 pumps with it, but these days, just 1. Sometimes 1.5, depending on how my skin is. Okay, what is next? So I might put a bit more on. Just to hydrate. I feel like now that I'm doing that Murad thing, I like to just concentrate on the areas that it's going on. Just that part of the skin is hydrated. Okay. Next up, speak of the devil, I've got my Murad Invisi Scar Resurfacing Treatment. I honestly can't tell if I see a difference. I feel like I'm about week 3, so today is Thursday, so I think on Saturday it will be like 3 full weeks since I've started using this Murad thing, and I feel like, I don't know, like sometimes I see a difference and then other times I really don't see a difference, but I'll keep you posted. Okay, then next I've got my Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Day Cream SPF 30. I'm gonna dollop this one. Ooh, this stuff is so good. I really love this cream. Ooh, like even though it's super expensive, I feel like if you have a spare £87, this is definitely something that you should try, or go on to QVC. If you've watched my QVC video, then you will know you can always find some great bargains on skincare on QVC. This cream is so, like, it's very lightweight, but like kind of thick, but like thin, and like it's watery, but like it's really so good. And oh, I love this cream. Definitely worth the £87 in my book. Now I don't know if you've seen my Dermalogica unboxing video, but I recently bought their Biolumin-C eye serum, and I wanted to film like a dedicated video, first impressions video to that, but as we're here, I'm just like, let me just whack it in on this video. Oh, okay. So this is what it looks like. I've just taken it out of the box. It's got this interesting nozzle. Apply under the eye and along the orbital bone morning and evenings. Okay, let me, I'm like scared to use this. So it's got a funny nib at the end. Interesting. I'm like scared, I don't know what to do. I think you can put this straight onto your eye. It's kind of runny. I'm just gonna like dab it on with my fingers. Interesting. It kind of smells like a teeny tiny bit medicinal, but no, it kind of smells like tea bags. Tap that in. It is extremely lightweight, but I guess this is a serum and not actually a cream. And I'm more used to eye creams. Like I've never used a serum before, so it is very wet. And you know what? Let me just bring this down. I'm sure you can use it in other places. Okay, probably should have done that first before I put on my face cream, but hey ho. Okay, so while I wait for that to soak in, what is the time? So it's 7:32. Doing good for time all of a sudden. Okay, so while I wait for all of this to kind of soak in before I get onto sunscreen, I'm just gonna moisturize my arms. I left my deodorant upstairs, so I'll just have to put that on afterwards. I've got my Nivea body lotion. It's supposed to be like 23 degrees today, so I don't know if my outfit is gonna really be appropriate for the weather, but if I get too hot I can always change. One of the perks of working at home is that if you don't like your outfit in the day, you can literally just go to your bedroom and get changed. Okay, so I don't have my deodorant, but I showed you that in my body care video, so if you want to know what deodorant I use, why I love it so much, then you can definitely check out that video. Ooh, I love moisturising. There's no greater feeling than moisturising. Okay, and then, oh, I've got my sunscreen. I've got my Nivea Sun UV Face Anti-Age and Anti-Pigment sunscreen. This is SPF 50. Oh girl. I did say I was going to start using my Dermalogica sunscreen once this sunscreen had finished, so I have a couple more weeks, I think, maybe 2 or 3 weeks of using this Nivea sunscreen, but we will see, because I don't know about really introducing so many new products just yet. In one of my previous videos where I used the Murad Rapid Age Correcting Serum, I used that and then used my Invisiscar. And I don't know, like I got a weird breakout like along my chin. I don't know if it's because of what I ate or if it's because of mixing those two products. I'm just really weary of trying new products right now while I'm using this Invisiscar, but I don't know what to do. So I don't want to introduce too many new things just yet. I feel like we're getting to know each other a bit too well. And then next I've got my lip balm. This is a fresh sugar treatment. I really never used to be a lip person, but this lip balm has really changed my life. I don't know why. I feel like my lips are really rebelling these days, but this just does such a good job of keeping my lips in check. I really only put this on like twice a day, so I put this on in the morning and in the evening. Sometimes I'll put it on like in the afternoon depending, but that one was just a sample and I don't know if I want to buy it full size because I just feel like as soon as I buy it I'm not going to use it because that's just how my body would work, obviously. Okay, so what is the time? So it's now 7:37. I am going to quickly go and get dressed. I'm going to put on my hair and then I will be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I legit look like I look like I'm in nursery or something. This is definitely not what I had envisioned. Definitely not what I had envisioned. I look like a weird milkmaid. I literally look like, I don't know what I look like, but yeah. I really feel like being at home, I look like an elf. Like a milkmaid elf from like the 18th century. But I don't know, I really feel like just being at home these days and like not having to go to work, it's just a really great time to experiment. I think not just with like beauty products and hair products for me, but also like outfits. When I was unemployed like many years ago, and you know I was unemployed for like a year and a half, and I just found that getting dressed and just not just getting dressed, but like getting dressed into proper outfits and like mixing and matching weird different outfit combinations did so much to lift my spirits. I think I talked about this in one of my very first YouTube videos. I was talking about how, you know, I was really upset, I was really low, like it was a really difficult time for me. And definitely in the beginning of that time, because I didn't leave the house, I didn't go out, I literally just stayed in my dressing gown, in my like night clothes all day long. And I kind of feel like that didn't, I was so miserable. But then when I started to, you know, like properly get dressed, like put on dresses and like shirts and, you know, like outfits, and like I would mix like jumpers and play suits and really weird combinations, then that's when I really started to feel so much better. So I think even though, you know, we are all under lockdown and I'm working from home every day and I'm really not going out, like I literally haven't left my house today in like 2 weeks. So I just feel like, you know, the way that I can keep my sanity and kind of keep myself together, it's kind of sounds really vain and so simple, like kind of like not that big of a deal, but it really is just getting dressed in the morning and just experimenting with different outfits and putting on weird things and weird combinations. I think by the time this video comes out you would have already seen my previous video, but you know, I've been filming like what I've been wearing throughout the day, and I really wish I'd been filming that video from the very first day so you could see some of my crazy eclectic outfits. But I feel like if not now, then when? Because I don't know how long this thing is going to last. A lot of this stuff like I could not get away with wearing outside of the house, either because it's too short, like I have to get changed halfway through the day or whatever. But I just feel like it's really nice just to mess around. And like this combination, like the frilly pink with the navy embezzled dress, like never in my life. Like I don't think I could wear this out, and especially with the hair, like it really looks like I'm some peasant child from like the 1800s or something. So yeah, so this is me done for the day. It is currently 7:47. I thought it would take me longer because I was filming, but I kind of finished right around like the normal time. So this is me for the day. I hope you liked this video. I hope that you're keeping sane during this lockdown time. Let me know if you're also weirdly just getting dressed and what you're experimenting with. And yeah, I hope you're all doing okay at home, not too bored, not too lonely. Quickly, before I forget, today is also the 1-year anniversary of my YouTube channel. So happy anniversary to me! Happy anniversary to my YouTube channel. Obviously by the time this video goes out it will not be my first anniversary, but yeah, I just kind of wanted to make sure that I filmed something today so that I could commemorate my first year of actually posting onto YouTube. It's been such a ride and such a learning experience. Literally, what a humbling, steep learning experience. I feel like you will never know until you start a YouTube channel. I can't believe it's been a year of me making videos and editing them and posting them on the internet for strangers to watch. It's a very surreal, weird experience. It's so funny how you can have so many doubts and be so unsure about something, but you still keep doing it. It feels very, very surreal. Every time I schedule a video, every time it feels very like you're stripping yourself bare naked and sharing yourself with the world. It's very, I keep saying very, but it's a very weird feeling, and you know, it takes a lot of guts. I never knew I had the guts that I had to post onto YouTube, because some of the stuff that I've shown and like talked about, it kind of like, it's not cringy to me obviously because I am myself and I know myself, and these are kind of the things that I just talk about and show myself, but it's the putting it on the internet and having people who are your friends, your colleagues, just random strangers on the internet watching. It is a very raw, like I can't even explain the emotion. It is a lot, and I think it sounds weird, like I get so embarrassed sometimes, but you know what, it is what it is. I started this journey, and as daunting as it is, I love it so much, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what other content the next year will bring. But anyway, make sure you remember to give this video a thumbs up, that you comment and subscribe, and definitely share with your friends if they need some morning routine inspo. I really feel like routines are so important, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.